Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. I just wanted to get on here very quickly and show you my snail mail. I had ordered these. These are on clearance. They are gel polishes, and as per usual, here is the gummy, which will be gone in a second. And the stickers, I have quite a collection of these now. And then this right here is going to be the work order, the slips. And these beautiful things are the gel polish. This one here is the Enchanted collection. And they are the thermal, which I was really excited to get. This one right here switches from a green to a hunter green, and it's called Forest Shadows. This one right here is Moonlight Luster, which is a light gray to a darker gray. And this one I'm super excited because it is glitter, and it's from Nightfall. That's what it's called, and it is like a pink to a purple. Let's see if it'll focus. Focus. Let's put. There we go. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And then this one here, the natural. Barely There. Bear It All. And this one's called, let's see if I can get it focused, Kiss My Lips. And I just noticed they have little instructions in them. Let's see what this one has. I think it's the same thing. Yeah, this one actually has instructions on how to. And this one here is just a quick thank you and information. Last but not least, Stella Polaris. Frozen Seas. Winter Shadows. Sub-Zero. And I believe I may own one more bundle monster gel polish, I believe. But I finally got quite a few because, again, like I said, these right here, they were on clearance, and I thought, why not give it a try? And again, I'm like super duper excited for these right here. I've never owned any thermal. I only own regular gel polish, so I'm excited to try these and see how they work. So stay tuned. I'll either, I don't know if I'll make a video or I'll just take pictures and see the process change or capture the moment of them changing. So I have 9. So I got 9 on them. And it was a really good deal. So I don't know if it's still available, but I would suggest you guys taking a look. They are very inexpensive right now. And if you're interested in purchasing something like this, there's also a coupon code that you can use. Just use my coupon code GrowBinChick and you'll be able to get 10%. So they look very lovely. I can't wait to test them out. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Hope you guys have fun. If you guys are doing nail art, whatever it is that you guys are doing, that you guys are having fun today. Bye.